Hi guys, this is Edgewell here, and I will show you how to replace a G-Shock battery. We need CR1220. Whatever your G-Shock model is, you should check it first before you buy the battery. And then we need precision tools, a Phillips screwdriver. And let's see and start how to open the battery. I don't remember where I put my manual of this watch. Try to see what can I find when I open my watch, and we'll see. So we'll find the suitable size of the screwdriver for this. So it needed a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so we'll try to fit in which one is better, which one is good to use. So be careful not to destroy your screws. If you use a different size of screwdriver, it might break your screw. So just be careful and select the screwdriver fitted to this screw. Try to find the best fitted to your screw so you cannot break your screws. And then we can start to remove the 4 screws on the watch. Okay, and then we carefully pry to remove the cover, and just to be careful for your rubber sealing, because if the rubber sealing is gone, then you will not have any waterproofing on your watch. We remove the plastic cover, the white plastic cover, and then we can try to find how we can remove the battery. So I tried to look for my old box where my G-Shock box is, because it contains some manuals, but I can't find it right now. So I just try to open and see what it looks like. Well, this watch contains like a plug in, plug out of one set of clock mechanism. So careful also to return it back to the same place, to the same alignment. So that it can touch the buttons from the outside. You see there's a blue buttons, blue push buttons, that this is the settings. So it is connected. Inside there is a small switches inside, which is connected to the blue buttons on the outside. So I'm trying to have a look on how it can align inside when I put it back. can slip the battery out from the lock. I tried to remove the left side, but it's not popping up. So let's just slide the battery from the other side. Alright. So it's possible to pop up the battery from the side without removing the lock, but it's best that we can remove the battery without sliding it. Just pop up the lock and it's easy. But you know, it's not very easy when you don't have any manuals to follow. Alright, we put out the battery and then we can replace a new one and study how the lock of the battery works. Okay, so this is the old battery. It's CR1220. It's the same. It's Sony 1220. Then we can put the battery in. Alright, so I finally see that there is a pop-up switch or lock onto the battery. So now we see there's a tiny lock there that we need to switch, need to pull out. Then we can replace and put back the battery, new one, the new battery, and put it back, pop it in. Alright, so we finally replaced our battery and put back all the screws and the filter, the seal. Right? Okay, we are about to put all the cover and the screw and the plastic guides and the rubber seal. So we need to align first the clock inside the watch casing. There is a small switch that you need to push a little bit inward so it can align to the battery, to the clock space. See, we have two switches in the left side, we have two switches on the right side. So once you align it, and you'll see how it fits in. Check the front and the back of the watch if it fits well. Okay. After replacing the battery, we need to return all the parts back. So we need to put back this info sticker. We need to put back the white plastic cover. Just making sure that it is aligned well properly. Put back the white plastic cover, and remember this rubber seal and the back plate. So careful to align the rubber so that your watch is still it will be a waterproof, because if it is not aligned properly, water might get in and your clock is gone. Your clock will be destroyed by the water. So just make it sure that you properly lock it well, screw back, check the alignment. I have another video that shows how to synchronize the analog and the digital clock. So please stay tuned and like this video, and I have another video also. Please watch it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.